Crispy. Let's top it up. Oh yeah. Hi everybody, today I'll be showing you guys how to make some air fryer hamburger patties, guys, for your hamburgers. So let's marinate the mince over here. So over here got some about a kg of ground mince over here. Let's marinate this. Okay, first I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic over here, store-bought crushed garlic. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Sprinkle all around some white pepper. Next we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of sugar. This will really make the burger very crispy after you air fry it. It's the sugar, guys. Next we will add in 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. We're going to add in, we're going to drizzle some oyster sauce. Just all around. We're going to drizzle some sesame oil all around. We're going to drizzle a little bit of Chinese rice wine. We're going to drizzle a good amount of olive oil. And a good amount of soy sauce all around. That's your marination, guys. Okay guys, so over here got some sweet and sour jalapeno peppers over here. They're not as chili as the green ones, so I'm just going to add in a good amount. Okay, now we're going to mix this up. Okay, on my glove, let's mix this up. Just fuse all the ingredients into the mincemeat. Okay guys, so I gave it a good mix over here. Okay, let's add in some cornstarch. I'm going to add in 2 heaped teaspoons of cornstarch. You can add in more if you like. It makes the burger more crispy when you air fry it. Okay, give that a good mix again. Check that out. Okay guys, so here is my mince over here. So the cornstarch, it will fuse all those flavors into the mincemeat. If your mince is a bit wet, just add in an extra spoon of cornstarch. Now we're just gonna form some hamburger patties. So you just gotta grab a handful, make it into a ball. Okay, now just squish it down. Just like that, guys. So place it into a little, just put on some plastic or else it will stick, because this will be putting this into the freezer. Okay guys, it's done. I'm just going to cover this with a plastic. If you want to eat them now, you can just pop them into the air fryer, but for now I'm just going to put them into my deep freezer. I'm going to deep freeze them until it becomes hard, and then I will air fry them. Just let the meat marinate better with the flavors in before I prepare these delicious hamburgers. Okay guys, so it's the next day now. My beef burger patties are frozen, so now I'm hungry. So let's make ourselves a delicious air fryer beef burger. Let's check these patties out. Okay, let's check this out. Look at that. Nice frozen burger patties. Now I'm just gonna put it into my microwave just to defrost it a bit before we pop it into the air fryer. First I'm just going to put a little bit of tin foil here. So here is my microwaved burger. I defrosted the meat. Let's put these in. Okay, let's pop these in. Okay, let's air fry this for 10 minutes first at 200 degrees. Okay guys, ready? Let's check on them now. Okay, they're looking good. And let's flip it around. Wow, check at that. Piping hot. Check out this one. Nice. Okay, flip it around, let's pop it back in for another 10 minutes at 200 degrees. Okay guys, our burgers are ready. Let's check this. Wow. Check this out. Shrunk in size, but hey, it's very tasty and delicious. Let's check this other one. Wow. Okay guys, let's assemble this and make our hamburger. Okay guys, I'm first going to air fry my buns over here. Just for a minute or so. Let's pop that in. Pop it into air fry for about a minute. Just to crisp it up. Okay guys, let's take out our buns from the air fryer. Check that out. Crispy, crispy. Okay, first I'm gonna spread in some mayonnaise here. Next, we're gonna add in some lettuce. Next, we're gonna add a slice of cheese. Okay, let's top it off with our burger patty. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna add in a few slices of jalapeno peppers here. We'll pour in some barbecue sauce. Top. Gonna add in another slice of cheese. Okay, we're gonna top it off with some cucumbers as well. A few slices of red onions. Now I'm gonna mayo the other side of the bun. Pour on top a little bit of sweet chili sauce. Okay, now let's top it up. Wow. Nice and crispy. Let's top it up. Oh yeah. Look at that. Check that out guys. I'm gonna have one for myself and one for my sister. Yummy. Easy beef burgers guys. Let's give this a try. Okay guys, I made some delicious air fryer hamburgers here guys. Let's give this a try. Wow, just check this out. Double cheese, mayo, jalapeno, sweet chili sauce, lettuce, cucumber, onion. Let's have a bite of this delicious burger. Guys, this is so delicious guys. This is for my lunch. Give this recipe a try guys. Very tasty and delicious. Thanks guys for watching.